one of our batchmates or one of our sisters, no?
I think it doesn't need to be really big. I mean small amounts. Pag yung cumulative, malaki na rin siya.
Malaki na rin siya. Malaking help siya, no? So for now, malaking talaga ang kailangan ng family nila. I might say nasa 1 point lang.
I think 1.7.
Hindi.
Almost.
Oo, ganon.
Mga
ganun kalaki, no? So medyo we're talking million, no? So malaki.
I think any help that we could give would really
Ease the burden for CJ and the family. Okay, last.
And last, we have emotional support. So, for those who didn't know yet, CJ is in National Kidney Institute, room 3062. So, maybe some of us hasn't been able to go there yet. Maybe we can find some time to visit her, check on her, what has she been up to, or how is she?
Okay, listen up now everybody. So, I hope, especially my batchmates, mga churchmates, mga schoolmates, you know, marami dito taga-hope, kung di man namin ka-batch, hope that we could really visit, kilala man natin o hindi, just to feel that support, no? A presence.
Kahit na hindi nyo kasi kakilala, pag you go there and you visit someone and you know, parang you share the moment with that someone.
Okay. So we would like to if you're looking at this one, okay, so to check nyo kung ano gusto nyo i-check, okay? Sulat nyo kung ano gusto nyo bigay. Yet this copy is yours. No? Tapos sa baba,
the perforated portion below.
Fill it up and please submit it to
Chochok and
Howard
Little Chochok or Millicent Mirabel Shea.
Okay. Yun sila na sa likod, nakatayo. Ayun o, yun.
Whatever support you would like to give, whether it's spiritual, financial, or emotional, just fill this up and then detach the lower portion and just give it to MM or Howard.
Okay, so yun na. So kung gusto nyo magbigay na ngayon, just give it to them, no? FYI lang sila yung batch treasure natin, di ba? Okay, kasi matagal tayo hindi nag-meet. Okay, for some more, a little bit of announcement.
Okay, for those who would plan to go to visit CJ, okay, some rules that you need to remember. Okay, do not stay there for more than an hour. Okay, actually 15 minutes is enough. Remember, she is sick, she needs rest. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, make sure that when you visit her, make sure to say a prayer with her and her family. Okay? Just simple prayer. Hindi naman kailangan na pag-isang nobelang prayer. Okay? A few sentences will do. Okay? Number 3, please do not watch TV while visiting her. Hindi pa sa atin, pag nag-visit na hospital, diba? Ang ginagawa natin, doon basketball, doon tapos pinabayaan natin siya. It's really spending time with her. Okay? Whether mag-uusap kayo, may sabihin kayo sa kanya o wala, it doesn't matter. Okay? Basta, nandun ka sa tabi niya, and especially for those who are sick, touch is very important. Okay? Touch. Okay? So just touch her hand, spend time there, it's enough and it's comforting for her. Okay? Then, another, please don't please don't make any promises. Okay? You're not God. Okay? To promise so many things that you do not know. Okay? So, yun na, basic yun. Don't spend the whole day with her. Pwede na lang kayong naka-assign na magbantay. For example, mag-volunteer kayo sa family niya, dapat babae at lalaki na babantayan niya siya for the whole day. Okay, para makapagpahinga yung parents niya, okay yun. Pero if you're just visiting, not longer than 15 minutes. Not longer. Isa pa, dapat wala kang sakit. Okay, mabilis kasi siyang mahawa. Tapos, so, yung sabihin, bago kayo pumunta doon, dumaan ka na sa Mercury. Bumili ka ng alcohol, tsaka yung mask. Okay, magpunas ka muna ng alcohol, mag-mask ka bago ka pumasok sa kwarto. Okay, if you want to smile, ibabali lang na sandali, itakip nyo na ulit. Okay? Okay? Very simple lang na guidelines, or else kasi, alam nyo ba, it's if you violate those guidelines, it's too stressful for the person who is in bed. Very stressful yan. Okay? Tama, Doc? Okay.
Okay? So, thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Leonidas,
For that tips.
for the
So, I really hope to, yun na, sana I can bump with you there. We can bump with each other there. Yun na. Hindi na tayo magugulo. But to really just support, show our friend CJ that we're there to help them. Okay, so now we're gonna give you at least 5 minutes. 5 minutes, no? To fill this up.
for whatever sport you might want to give to
Okay,
CJ and her.
okay. I'll give you 5 minutes to, as we distribute, ano yan?
You're being distributed some snacks.
Tsaka CDs, no? Okay. Ano ba yung naman ng CDs? Okay, hindi namin alam. Source of price na lang yan. Okay?
I think it's about something about the band.
So every Friday we meet at the Youth Hub. Okay, this is the Youth Center. Okay, guys, please listen first. Okay, we meet at the Youth Hub sa kabila, sa church building mismo, 5th floor. This is the Youth Center, sa kabila ang Youth Hub. So we would encourage you, if you don't need to join any group. Okay, if you think you want to be a group on your own, tell us, we'll help you organize your group. Okay? That's one announcement that I would like to, so you're all invited to join us. Kung gusto mo mag-inquire, meron yung mga, saan may mga cell group leaders natin? Pakitayo nga. Tayo, please. Kung yun stand up, mga cell group leaders. You can approach any one of them if you're interested to join their group. Actually, sa batch ninyo, si Delia is one of the cell group leaders now. So you could join her group if you're interested. Okay? This one?
Hey everybody, we ask everybody to please settle down for a while. We're going to give some acknowledgement to the people who have helped gathering everybody. Yun na, for the food, magbigay. So yung mga tao dyan, upo na muna tayo. Okay? Everybody can ask everybody to sit down. Grupo doon, Jeffrey, Kerwin, upo na tayo. Okay? Some few announcement.
We'd like to acknowledge the help of the batch officers, si Spencer, who initiated this event today. Sila Lloyd.
Ulit. Which is also inviting you. Hey, listen up. Hey, everybody, mga kabatchmate, kasi
Jeff,
alam ko,
pakita ka,
mga
Jeff.
batchmate ko working na.
Jeff.
Yung mga lower batch, hindi ko ba sure.
Chok.
Okay, batchmate, they would like to invite you
Sunyer.
to Young
Ang bravo mo pa rin,
Fellowship.
pare.
Pero, medyo cell group na siya, no? Hindi na siya kagaya ng student fellowship, nagpupunta tayo, naglalaro. No, if you still remember. Okay, announcement lang, no? Okay, praise God, we have raised 24,650 pesos tonight. Okay? Cash pa lang yun, okay? Yung mga iba mag-pledge, please don't forget, yun nga, meron naman doon, kung gusto niya i-deposit na lang, directly sa account, no? Okay lang din naman. Okay, and yun nga, checks, yun nga, nandun din ang sulat. Kanino bibigay yung checks, Spencer? Sa bangko. Sa bangko. Anong bangko ba? Yung check niya mismo. Hindi, yung name, siyempre, okay, yung Berchora AD no nakasulat, tapos sa yung guys, diretso sa bangko. Okay, over na lang, okay. Checks, okay, should be given to Howard Chocho, okay? Diyan pa rin mabahay na. Okay, dyan ang ano unit. Okay, dyan lang siya sa Rich Town. Bus nyo na lang siya. Guluhin nyo na lang siya. Bigay nyo sa kanya yung checks, okay? So, praise God, you have raised 24,650 pesos, okay? FYI lang. Okay, now, ano gagawin natin? Ay, isa pa pala. Okay? Excuse, listen up. Okay?